and I started my ride, moving out of city of Nizams. There was that unexplainable smile on my face when I entered Maharashtra. So I had to feed my Maharashtrian cravings. It's beautiful how unknown people help you to get through unknown roads, unknown patches, isn't it? He was one of them for me. As I was reaching near to hometown, I was feeling happier and happier, mile by mile. So that's my expression of eating my favorite dish, misal, after 6 months. That's a long span. People ask me, don't you get bored riding alone? I say no, clearly, because the scenes while I am riding are not the one of which I'll get boredom from. My best friend's mom made sure that I'm giving her updates wherever I'm stopping by, cause she was the only one whom I mentioned that I'm gonna ride to Ratnagiri. Thank you, Wako. Thank you a lot. I felt a lot of feeling in this ride. Love, missing someone very special, death, more importantly, life to live for. Can you feel the vibes of the trees here? I did, and I still can. What I learned from this ride, the most amazing thing, you should never keep your loved ones waiting. If you do, give them surprise visiting them like they never imagined. And believe me, that will be the one of the best feeling of your life and theirs too. A feeling worth riding 750 kilometers. Yeah, that's what it is.